Welcome to the Business Development Assessment and Certification Program from Amway. Congratulations on successfully displaying your intent and capability to sell Amway products to customers. You need to keep demonstrating the sales capability on an ongoing basis. Upon successful completion of this training and assessment, you will be eligible to sponsor others to join the Amway business and be a part of your sales team. As a team leader, you must have the requisite knowledge to make your team effective as well as result-oriented while selling Amway products. A result-oriented, capable and well-trained team is the key to any business. To build a successful team, you should have prerequisite competency in team building aspects including building high-performance teams, leadership skills, and motivating skills. Building a strong and dedicated team helps you to grow your business. To build a successful team, it is of utmost importance that you have the right people as a part of your team. Your work, however, does not stop by choosing the right set of people. Now, let's take a look at what should you do to exhibit these skills. As a team leader, you must establish clear goals and objectives. Maintain constant communication with your team members through regular meetings. Help them identify both personal and professional goals. Periodically check the productivity and performance of your team members and train your team members to achieve their goals. Above all, you should build and maintain trust of your team members. If a team leader is not trustworthy, they can't be inspiring or trusted to resolve conflicts. Neither can they get the team to excel and achieve higher goals, nor have team to believe in their communications. To build and maintain trust within your team members, you should 1. Build a positive relationship. 2. Share your knowledge and expertise. 3. Be consistent in your words and actions. And 4. Practice what you preach. Your team should always respect you as their leader, mentor, and role model. To accomplish this, you should exhibit leadership skills which include strong communication skills to speak persuasively, engagement skills to inspire people and ability to bring diverse groups together, interpersonal skills to build people's trust, resolve conflict, and gather honest feedback, and possess emotional intelligence to understand and respond to other people's emotions. As a leader, you should also be willing to guide, mentor, tutor, and coach your team members towards building a strong and ethical business. Encourage them to share their views and opinions. Allow your team members to identify their goals and be there for additional support, and help your team members become good leaders to their team members. Motivating team members, inspiring them, and fostering enthusiasm is the key to success. To keep your team motivated, you must encourage your team members towards achieving goals, both personal as well as professional. Help your team realize their potential by giving them positive feedback. Celebrate all big and small achievements of your team members and maintain an open communication with your teammates always. Possessing these skills is critical for becoming a successful Amway direct seller. Do remember that you will only be able to pave your path to success by improving your effective team building, leadership, and motivational skills. Realize that nothing is achieved without making efforts. Amway stands right beside you to help you achieve these skills and supports you always to build and maintain a successful Amway business. Amway offers various free courses both in the online and offline formats to help you develop and enhance these skills. Do show enthusiasm and take the required initiatives to acquire all the leadership skills and become a successful Amway direct seller. We wish you all the best.